Understanding Gargantuan Task, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, Gargantuan Task. This phrase is not just about big tasks, it's about understanding the nuance and richness of English expressions. So, let's dive in and discover what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, Gargantuan task, refers to an extremely large or difficult task. The word, gargantuan, itself means enormous or colossal. It's often used to describe a challenge that seems overwhelming due to its size, complexity, or the effort required to complete it. This term can be used in various contexts, from personal challenges to professional projects. Understanding the origin of phrases can make them easier to remember. The word gargantuan comes from Gargantua, the name of a giant in French Renaissance literature. Written by Rabelais, Gargantua was known for his enormous size and appetite. Over time, the word evolved to describe anything of immense size or scale. Let's see how to incorporate this phrase into your everyday conversation. 1. Organizing the entire event by myself was a gargantuan task. This shows the phrase used to describe a challenging personal project. 2. The team faced a gargantuan task when they started working on the new software development project. Here, it's used in a professional context. Expanding your vocabulary is always a good idea. Some synonyms for gargantuan task include Herculean task, referring to Hercules, known for his strength and challenging labors. Monumental task, mammoth task. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase Gargantuan task. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this expression more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with exciting discoveries. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video.